Hello, welcome to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. I'm back with another video on how you can use AI to boost your day-to-day work. Now, most of the times what happens, right, we will be running out of time and you literally don't have time to write for some inquiry or any email that is very common and all. So what best you can do to use AI, and with this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can use artificial intelligence or the ChatGPT to help you to write email for inquiries and other things. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example. That example you can use it and definitely it's going to help you. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So come to the Google once again, type ChatGPT, open the first link with openai.com and you'll end up the screen. Click on try ChatGPT, and if you're not logged in, you need to create an account, or if you have existing account, you have to log in. Now what you can do is, let's say I have to buy let's say I do a lot of metal 3D printing, so let's say I have to buy wires for my machines and how I would write email for that. So what you can just do that, so I will write me an email inquiry for SS316 1.2 millimeter wires. So let's say what it does for us. So it gives a subject, that is inquiry for SS316 1.2 millimeter wire. Now you can see you have all the email body up and ready for you. So now let's just see how well it is written. So I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing into inquiry about the availability of this 1.2 millimeter wires. Our company is in need of this product. So I would say it's a start that it does the job, okay, but you need to manipulate few things as per your need. So this is one of the example how you can use AI to boost up your day-to-day work. And with this, it's a matter of copy paste in your email and you are good to go to send inquiries. So with this, I would like to sign off. We'll be catching up in the next video by the time. Thank you.